Hello Odoers. Today we will discuss about the how to cancel your maintenance request via maintenance module. You can see here our module Dev Maintenance Cancel Reason. First install this module, so click on Activate button. Go to Maintenance module and you can see here Maintenance menu. Go to this menu and click on Maintenance Request menu. Create a new request. Screen not working. Let's save. I want to cancel this request because it's in created duplicate entry. So click on Cancel button and add your reason, like a created duplicate entry. And click on Cancel button. So you can see here, this request is got to in cancel. And also see in Jetter with your cancel reason. Thank you.